My name is Sterling Wilder. I'm Executive Director for the Jubilee Family Development Center, and we are so excited to have the brothers that just do gutters donating gutters to our building. We've been trying to get gutters for about 15 years, but they're doing gutters for us. Jubilee has 3 phases: education, athletics, and occupational. We work with youth as well as adults. We have after-school tutorial programs, a 4-day summer camp. We have STEM programs for youth like Robotic League and Lego League, the rest other things for our youth. And then we have programs for adults like GED, cybersecurity, nurses aid, PCA classes, med tech classes, and various other classes for adults to help to get better careers. So the main focus of Jubilee is to help our youth and to help our adults get a better source in life as far as education, as far as careers, just make them stronger as a family.
Hi, my name is Ken Parsons, co-founder of the Brothers That Just Do Gutters with my brother Ryan Parsons, and we're here at the Jubilee Center today installing some gutters. We're visiting Jeremiah Boles at his franchise territory here in Lynchburg, Virginia. He's up there on the ladder right now, putting the finishing touches on this project that we're donating to the Jubilee Center. The Jubilee Center is a great place for kids, for after-school activities, and also for playing basketball, and just giving a place for kids that might not have people at home to watch them after school. They can come to the Jubilee Center, and they have all kinds of activities and things for them here.
I'm Boles. I'm owner of the Brothers That Just Do Gutters Lynchburg branch. What community this is to do that, to reach out to like kids that need some guidance, and then also parents that are able to work and have a safe place for their kids to come and hang out and play games. It just does so much for needy families in the area, and so we felt called to do this work, and it was brought on by Ken, the co-founder of the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. So we're blessed to have a guy here that is part of our community and family. We love Lynchburg. I went to school here at Liberty University. Started my family here, met my wife here at Liberty, grown to love it.
It's just a great thing that they're doing here in the community, and we just wanted to give back, and that's why we're here today, is to give back to the Jubilee Center, because they've been so generous in giving to us as well in the community, and we just wanted to bless them with some new gutters so that they don't get drenched on their way out, in and out.
We're so thankful for the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. We're thankful for your support of the Jubilee Family Development Center for our 25th anniversary this year. Thank you so much.